The text messaging part of Grower's Edge is very handy because every day I'll receive a text that shows me where the best local market is.
That's what I like about Grower's Edge too. It gives me the information I want on my smartphone so that if I'm not in the office, I still get the information that I need.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. It's October 2nd, 2014. I'm Logan Burgess, and right here is Cody Bills. Well, we once again had a positive day for the grains in Chicago. Let's jump into the iPad here and take a look and see where things closed. We had corn up 1.5 pennies. We had soybeans moving up 8.5 cents, and we had Chicago wheat moving up 4 3/4. Just a reminder, if you want to take a look at this iPad app for yourself, visit us at grainhedge.com. You can take a demo of the same trading platform that you see here on GrainTV. Well, we did have a little bit of a positive move here for the grains, Cody. One thing that was helping things out was the dollar index moving lower here on the day, relieving a little bit of pressure that we've seen that dollar index putting on the grain, so that was good to see. We did have a reportable sale this morning of 174,000 metric tons to unknown destinations for corn, so that helped things out as well. But it really seemed like today's export sales report kind of got things going on a good foot there.
Absolutely. Well, corn came in below analyst expectations there, so that wasn't very positive.
Right.
But I think it was somewhat offset here by that reportable sale. When you look at soybeans here, they came in within analyst expectations, in between the expectations of 700,000, 1 million metric tons. But wheat here was the outperformer, and we really noticed it. It was very much reflected in the price action immediately following the weekly export sales report. Today we came out with 741,000 metric tons sold, expectations between 400 and 600,000 metric tons. That's up 92% week over week, so it's very positive. As you can see here, this is a 5-minute chart of the December wheat contract, and you can see as soon as the report came out, which is right at this yellow line, you see the price action move sharply higher here. So it's very positive. Wheat in general, U.S. wheat, has been struggling in terms of competitiveness on the global market. You know, the dollar has been putting a lot of pressure on it.
You know, and it seems like that scenario is starting to change here a little bit. We did have a story earlier in the week that some traders now are viewing Russian wheat as overpriced in the global market. Russia's had some concerns about quality and quite strong domestic demand, so both those two factors are moving prices in Russia higher. As a result, a lot of people looking now for Europe to step in and get a lot of the export sales, particularly to the Middle East. And additionally, some of those sales could be coming to the U.S. books. We haven't seen a lot of that yet, but keep in mind we did have that good sale to the Egyptians about 1.5 weeks ago now. So it does seem like this story in the wheat market, where U.S. wheat has been very overpriced on the global market, may be changing a little bit today. Certainly seen reflected in the export sales report and that sale that we had to Egypt there about 1 week ago.
Sure, and let's talk a little bit about soybeans too, because this is a market that we really haven't seen a whole lot of positive days, but here we are up 8.5 cents here on the day. You know, we're now up to 9.25 1/4. So really, I think there's a possibility here that we get a little bit of a bounce. You know, we move down to around 9.04. I think that big whole number, $9, is going to be a difficult price level to break through. It looks as though it's caused a little bit of short covering here in the days following that. You know, yesterday we traded down to 9.04. We closed off the day strong. Today we continue strong. We closed near the highs of the range. I wouldn't be surprised if we can even continue a little bit higher here from this point. But you know, I think there's a few things. Producers, one, need to be ready to pull the trigger and take advantage of this price bounce. But two, they need to keep in mind that this price bounce, I cannot imagine being actually a situation that breaks the trend. In general, I think we may get a bounce, but it's only a matter of time before we're retesting $9. So look around for options in the cash market. Look around for the possibility of making a sale here in the futures market to hedge some of that price risk.
Yeah, absolutely. We can help you out with those decisions here at Grain Hedge. As Cody said, you know, it's great to be prepared, and we have a great mobile trading app now that a lot of our producers are using as they're getting out into the field and harvesting this year's crop. If you're interested in taking a look at that, visit us over at grainhedge.com. You can sign up there for a 2-week trial. It'll give you live quotes there on your mobile device, and you can take a look at it and see for yourself what it's all about and if you would find benefit out of it as we get into harvest here. If you have any questions, give us a call, 877-472-4607. Thanks a lot for joining us here on GrainTV. We'll see you back tomorrow to wrap up the week.